Good morning, everybody. Today I decided that we should probably just do a walkthrough of our home, the state of it in which we are living in right now, and just kind of some of the projects. Oh Lord, I just woke up. Okay, well, some of the projects that we have going on currently. So that's what I'm gonna do. So when you first walk into the house, there is an entryway, and as you can see, we have all of our paint supplies and things. This is the storage location, essentially. We used to have a really big sectional, so there are so many more pieces to this. And I would say about 75% of our furniture to 80% is already in storage. So this is just, we kept this small piece so we aren't sitting on the floor. But, so we've already come through here, and Andrew has primed a mural that I had put together a long time ago. And we went through, primed everything. Let me see if I can get a bit brighter for you. Was able to cover up some of the cracks that were over here. Don't worry, they're hairline, so it's nothing a structural integrity issue. We already had a foundation expert come out and take a look at our foundation, and they said everything's fine. So yay. But anyways, we're gonna go through, and we've got to paint over this with the white paint that we already have on the walls. And so this is like the entryway. As you can see, we never actually, we've been living here for many years, and we never switched out the lights or anything. So that's definitely something that's gonna be of priority, is don't wait at our next house. Make it cozy, make it comfy. So we've been going through and patching up. You can kind of see some spots over here where we had some photos hanging. And I painted the banister. So everything used to be brown and then white. Not this color white, but it was like an off-white. It was a dirty white. It was dirty. So I primed, painted, and sealed it. So it looks really nice. Let's see here. And I just painted it the same color as the walls, so it was very unison. Andrew's workstation, work from home. So I actually painted these walls myself a long time ago, and it was quite comical. They're really, really high. So I ended up taking an extension rod thing and duct taping a paintbrush to the end of it to get all the way up there, which now we're gonna have to buy a ladder and go up there and do the touch-ups where it got onto the ceiling. Another light that we never replaced. Have to take down these curtains and the curtain rod. I went through and tried my hand at caulking the windows. There's a couple spots that I might want to go back over. It's kind of hard to see in here for some reason, but I went through and recalked everything. Again, we still have to paint all of this as well. We have to have a professional come in and clean the windows because the seals aren't sealing. Oh yeah, that used to be my desk, and now I have been demoted to this desk, the side table. It's okay, it's not a big deal. Bucket of Legos, our TV. We actually took down the TV from the mount, so we'll end up removing the mount as well and filling in the holes and whatnot. So this is the entryway right here. Then if you come through here, so Zoe's crawling, so we have lots of gates everywhere. You can probably hear her laughing. Hi, Annie. Our refrigerator broke. And because we are on a budget and we're sticking to our budget of moving out of the house, we bought a small one. And I'll tell you, it really makes you think about how much food you're gonna buy at the grocery store. So this is the kitchen. I've got to take some paint and fill in these areas. This was where the refrigerator was, so you didn't see it. And we are going to have our floors redone. We've never had them done. These are the like peel and stick stuff. It's been here since we moved in. There used to be an island here, and I tore it out when Andrew was at the gym or work one time, and he came home and then it was gone. So he built this. This is from IKEA. And we took down the blinds that were up here. So I've got some backer rod to fill in some areas like here before I patch it up. And then we've got to paint and then put in new blinds, and we need to get some screens put in. And what else? Oh, we do have we have a regular dining table, and we have a Korean dining table, but now we're using the kids' school table, Alexis, because we got sick of sitting on the floor and we'd rather sit on buckets apparently. So that's what we're doing. Yes, we have our Christmas tree up, and the reason why is because it brings happiness and joy. So there's that. A while back, we removed the carpet from the stairs with the full intention of just redoing the stairs ourselves. I ended up painting it white just because I wanted to have something better to look at, and now we're just gonna end up putting carpet over it since we're gonna sell our home. There's a half bathroom down here, but it's really ugly and dark because we never painted over it. So you come around and you go up the stairs and you come up into our room where we have a lot of the cushions from the sofa that we put into storage. We're gonna get those space saver bags and seal them off, but for now the kids are having fun just playing with them. And we sold our bed frame because we decided we'd want something a little bit more colonial style. So we sold our bed frame, took that apart. These are the kids' mattresses because Andrew's gonna go through and paint one of the, or I think the other 3 rooms today. This is the state of the bathroom. So I don't think I updated everybody on where we left off. I don't know why I'm breathing so heavily. But as you can see, this window has to be replaced. We were gonna replace it anyway. Again, seal issues and whatnot. But here's where we are. Let me see if I can close this door really quick. For anybody who has shower with the glass walls around it, I highly encourage you to remove it because we did that, and look at all of like the mold and like grossness that is down there. That is so sorry, it's Duke. So gross, it's so gross. So my plan, and I've never demoed a bathroom before, but I know how to undo a screw. So that was my motivation for this. My plan is to get from Amazon a square curtain rod, so it comes from here, go out, and then connect back to that wall. I'm gonna put hooks, one here and one here, and I'm going to do a linen shower curtain. So I'll probably buy 2, so that way when it's pulled back, you can drape it around the hook, and then the same thing on this side. So it doesn't look ridiculous, I guess. I think it'll look nice. Something very simple, easy that I can do. We want to get some more of these tiles, get a piece of plywood and retile the top of that, get some Rust-Oleum paint, and paint the shower and the bathtub as well. Then we have our closet in here, and there's some more storage around the corner and other things, guitars, whatnot. So this is the master bath. We've got to paint everything. We took down, or I guess I took down the light that was up here. That was very simple. and paint the vanities and everything. Need to take that down. And we have one of the other bedrooms. So this room is where Zoe is currently sleeping right now because we've been trying to sleep train her. And we have to go through and paint over everything in here. It's a very bright orange. I did caulk the window in here as well. So there's that, that's done. We've got to remove that trim thingy up there. And all the carpet's gonna get pulled out. We have a bathroom right here that we've already started like working on. I impatiently took out some of the tile because I was wondering why there was a difference in like the height. Well, this one used to have a different bathroom floor, a linoleum, and then they put a board over that and then tile over that. So there's that. We gotta figure that out. Andrew already started working in here. So this used to be like a mint green color, and oh, you know what? Let me see if I can't plug it in because the socket's covered. Okay, well, he's been spending many times, many hours in this room. So he went ahead and bought a paint sprayer instead. So he's gonna go ahead and use that today. We've got to pull out, I already lifted up the carpet, but we got to actually like roll it out because we want to paint like all the trim and everything. And I was able to caulk this window. Move, Duke. Watch out, buddy. We got to do another round of paint on here as well. Got to paint the closet, but everything's taped off. And then we have Maddie. This bedroom, which I can probably get some light on in here. Someone's opening the garage door. And the kids have been just having fun in here. You know, it feels like camping, they say. So he's got to do this room as well. And so we got to replace all the blinds and everything. And that's pretty much it. That's the house. Okay, so he has not been doing this for very long at all. And if you remember from the walkthrough, the way that this room looked. So haven't done the ceiling yet. This is only one coat. As you can see, like there's some spots down here, but you gotta let it dry a little bit before you go back in.
You should let them know that we are replacing the carpets.
Yes, we are. I'm kidding. I already did on the last video, but anyways, okay. We are replacing the carpet. That's the reason why we didn't care about just painting while it's in here. Yes, we are going to do the ceiling. So this is what it was and what it is now. And I mean, I think he's pretty much done in here. Like, it's not doing it any justice on the phone. Like, it is a true white color. It looks so good. My phone's not focusing. There we go. So we did get part of the ceiling done in here as well. I think I just need a better camera because it's not focusing that well. But yeah, so we are going to replace the carpet with something a little bit lighter because this dark brown and everything just doesn't look good. Let me turn the light on in the closet. He got through the closet. Just got to do the ceiling as well. Patch that up. We got to figure out something for the closet. But yeah, it looks, we got the Magnum X5 paint sprayer, and we chose this one because I follow Chris Loves Julia, and I was reading their blog on the paint sprayers that they've used, and this one cost us about $350, but the amount of painting that we have to do in our home before we sell it, as well as like our future home projects, like we would have spent so much money on rollers and whatnot anyways. And this took him, so this room took him probably a total time of 20 minutes, I would say, to do the whole thing. And then this one, he's only been in here for about, I would say 7 minutes. Prep time takes longer. So just making sure that it's all covered and taking down what needs to get taken down. We're gonna do new vents, covers, and everything. But yeah, this paint sprayer is awesome. We did have to watch a few video tutorials, or I would say he did. I think this is the first project that you've ever done where I solely had nothing to do with it. Right?
Yep. Yeah, I think the YouTube videos, in my opinion, it made it seem more complicated than it really needed to be.
So maybe you should
But if you just follow the directions, like, it's really simple.
So if anybody wants to know how to use this, let us know in the comments below so we can go ahead and put a video together, because I watched some of the clips of the videos with him for this Magnum X5, and that is the reason why I bowed out. Just like, I don't have the mental brain space to learn a new thing. So if y'all are interested and you want to know, let us know, and we'll put out, I'll have Andrew put out a tutorial on how to use it to make it as simple as possible. So got all these rooms done. We're gonna see if we can do the bathroom as well, or if not this bathroom, then just our bathroom, because it's definitely more demoed than any of the other ones. So I hear Zoe, so I'm gonna go get her. See you guys later. It's definitely been a process trying to go through and get everything done with homeschooling and having a baby, an almost 1-year-old, and trying to figure out, you know, how to get everything done the right way. Because, like, it's not that I love being a DIYer, but I do love saving money, so that's why we're doing it this way. So I can upload an updated video of when the rooms are completed, and, you know, if anything else happens along that time. If you have any questions or any recommendations on the way to do something, please leave a comment in the section below, because I love input and advice. It's openly welcome. And just stay tuned for this next venture. I mean, we're gonna sell this house and we're gonna move to a farm, so we have a lot of awesome things ahead to share with y'all. I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll be seeing you soon.